The kinesthetic experience of sculpting muscles from clay and then applying them to the canine skeleton can make acupuncture come alive. This course focuses on the myofascial relationships of acupuncture points in the dog. You will build clay models of deep and superficial muscles and then identify acupuncture point locations. We'll examine structure-function connections and link anatomical features of those acupuncture points with their clinical indications and actions. The course consists of 4 sections. The first one, where you start, is head and neck. Section 2 covers the trunk. That's the thorax, the abdomen, and the back. Section 3 covers the pelvis and tail, and Section 4 includes the thoracic and pelvic limbs. Each section is 7 hours of continuing education.